So hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Elkana. Today I'm going to show you how to protect your website from fraud using reCAPTCHA. And when I talk about fraud, I'm talking about bots, spam bots, those emails that come to you without your knowledge, without setting them. Spam bots and spam comments and spam messages can keep coming to your email, and sometimes and many times you don't love it. So spam bots, when I say they come to your emails, I mean something like this. You see, this is an email that came to me 6 hours ago and I don't like it. I didn't set it. Yeah, so they came through this website here, and there's a website form on this website. They came through that website and I don't like it. I don't know this person, William, I don't know what. This email, I don't know it, from the UK, and what do you want to do? General inquiry, and I don't even understand this language, this message here. So this is a spam email, and they keep coming, as I said. And so a spam bot is a computer program that helps spread spam across the internet. They often scrape the contact information, create fake accounts, and operate stolen social media accounts. That's what they do. So what is a spam bot? Generally, it's a computer program that executes repetitive tasks, and they usually operate over the internet. Yeah, a spam bot is a specific type of bot that sends or helps with sending spam messages. Yeah, they are set by people to do that, to send fake messages and repetitive messages. So a spam bot may also post spam in various places where users interact online, such as social media platforms, for website forums like WordPress, forum websites, and all that. So there are things like this. Yeah, are you ready to make big money by working from home? Click this link to start making bank from I don't know what. Yeah, dangeroussite.com, something like that. Yeah. So spam is any inappropriate or unwelcome, annoying messages that are pushed out to a large number of users. Usually spam involves unwanted product advertisements, irrelevant backlinks like affiliate marketing links and all that, and something like scams or malware downloads and all that. And how do they operate? The bots, as I said, they are created by people, real people. They are fake people created by real people to create fake accounts on forums, social media platforms, messaging apps, or email hosting providers, and all that. So that's what bots. That's what they do. Those bots, they send them to your emails. You see them on applications. Maybe you're using a mobile application on your Android device or other devices, and then you're trying to use this application, and then an advert comes and all that. Those are fake bots and things that are created. They are very annoying, and many times you don't like them. So we're gonna learn how to remove those, to block them using Google's reCAPTCHA. So this is the reCAPTCHA tool by Google, and how you get to this link is by going to this link. Google.com, https www.google.com/reCAPTCHA/about. So if I take this link, if I copy it and then open the same link on a new tab here, we go there. I'm gonna zoom out so you can see how it looks like. So this is the real thing. This is how it looks like. Sometimes I zoom in so you can see clearly. And then after you come to this link here on a new tab, you will see this interface. So go right ahead and click on version 3 admin console here, and then when you come here, you will head over here, there is that plus. You will see a plus here, and then I'm gonna click on it to add a new label here, and the new label that we are adding is this one. It's here. There is this domain I'm working on, so the domain is WordPress tricks.xyz. So the domain is WordPress tricks.xyz, and so I'm gonna take that here, put it here. That is the label, and then go down. You will see reCAPTCHA type. Yeah, just leave it score based version 3. Just leave it there as it is, and then come to add a domain. Add that domain there and submit. Then you will see the site key here and the secret key here. But before that, we're gonna log into our website. So you know how you go to your website. You just write that domain.xyz, WordPress stroke WP admin. So when we do that, it brings us to this link here, and then we're gonna log in. Yeah, so we are here. It's appearing like this because we have zoomed in. I'm gonna zoom out. So that's how you see that's how the dashboard looks like. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're going to add a new plugin. I'm just clicking to confirm whether it's there. I'm gonna deactivate it, and then I'm gonna delete it. Okay, so I'm gonna go to plugins, add new. Then I'm gonna search for contact form 7. So contact form 7 is here. Install now, and then activate. When we activate it, we can see it here. So after that, you will see contact on the menu here. It's here. So go to contact and then integration. On integration, we will go down to reCAPTCHA. It's here, and then click on set up integration. And then we're gonna add our site key here and our secret key here. Copy site key and come to the key there, and then go back to copy secret key and then paste it there, and then save changes. So when you do that, your site, it says reCAPTCHA. It says reCAPTCHA protects you against spam and other types of automated abuse. With Contact Form 7's reCAPTCHA integration module, you can block abusive form submissions by spam bots. They're very annoying. They keep coming. So when you do that, your site is safe from abuse, and then your site is now safe. It's here, protected by reCAPTCHA, because we just installed it. Down here you can see it. Yeah, it's showing protected by reCAPTCHA. So that's how you secure your website from spam. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. I will really appreciate it. So thank you so much for watching up to this point, and see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.